Hey, it's Greg Luther. Welcome to today's morning meeting. I am Greg Luther, the one guy that meets with you every single day to help you in growing your real estate business. And today we're going to talk about new construction, one of my favorite ways for you to get paid because it's a lot more money with a lot less work on your part. I want to kind of dive into that today because it is such a big opportunity. No matter where you are in the country right now, new construction is finally back. They're working with realtors, they're paying commissions. In many cases, they're paying bonuses because as we know, as interest rates went up, they pretty much lost all of their contracts. The people that were qualified at 3.5% or 4%. They no longer qualify for the home by the time it's time to close. So this has become a good opportunity for us because not only do they have inventory, but they have partially and completely built inventory, which means you can get paid faster. You don't have to wait 6 or 7 months in order to get that deal closed and ultimately get yourself paid. It's also a big opportunity because not only are they paying traditional commissions, but they're paying bonuses sometimes on your second home or your third home with them. So you'll want to send a lot of traffic to them. But one of the big advantages for us is we can generate tons of new construction buyers for nearly no cost. If you've been following our Inner Circle coaching, we had a ad clinic call the other day where we were going over some of the ads. Agents all over the country, from sea to shining sea, are generating new construction buyers for $2 each, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less, but call it $2 to $2.50 each. It is ridiculous how easy it is to attract that business because everybody loves new. Now, I shouldn't have to tell you, it's also easy in any industry to sell new easier than used. You can sell a new car, you can get leads cheaper than you can on a used car. You can sell a new yacht with more leads or cheaper leads than you would get with a used yacht. Same is true for virtually any large investment that's out there. So I want you to think about what is your offer for new construction? What are you putting out there to the public? I mean, one of the big advantages, as you know, you walk them across the threshold, you introduce them, your job is done. You're done. Like they will take it over from there. They'll write the contract. They take them to the design center. They do all of that stuff for you. Now, you're welcome to attend if you want. You're welcome to sit there and hold their hand and do all of that. But the advantage for you is it's so much less work. And you've got to, like, this is what they do. They've got a pro that's, I call it a pro. It's the person at their model that knows how to fill in the blanks on their contract and utilize their approach. So it can really be very profitable for you, particularly because you can get the leads at such a low cost. They are hyper responsive as compared to a lot of the other leads that are out there. That's a big thing. They actually reply to you if your offer is good. And another big advantage for you is now you don't have the issue of, Greg, I'd love to advertise, but I don't have any listings. Well, you got all the new construction stuff, and they'll gladly let you advertise that. Call them up, let them know what you're going to do. But following our approach, and I would encourage you to look at some of our recent coaching calls on the Inner Circle website. Follow our recent calls and that approach that I want you to use, because the universal offer is to become essentially the MLS for new construction, right? So the goal is for you to say, as an example, let's say you're offering a free information package. You're willing to mail them a free information package, and it's the top 2 floor plans of the best 5 builders in town. Well, who are the best 5? It's your opinion. So it's your best 5, according to you. Of course, they're paying you a commission, or they're not going to be on this list. So you work all that stuff out as well. You make sure you're getting a full boat commission. But those are, that's how you create an information package, and it has to be mailed to that prospect. Why do we want to do that? Because number one, a lot of their floor plans and stuff are different types of paper and all of that. But more importantly, the real reason, because we can get their address. We then know where they live, and if they have a home to sell, we can market to them that way as well. What we found throughout 2022 is anywhere from 65 to 75%, really 65 to 73, but let's round up, 65 to 75% of the leads have a home to sell as well. They're not first-time buyers. So let's call it nearly 3/4, anywhere from 2/3 to 3/4 of these leads, they also have a home they'll be selling. That's a big opportunity for you. So it's not like, well, hey, if I get this client, I'm going to pick up $16,000 from selling a $400,000, $500,000 home. That's not the case. You're going to sell their current property as well, in most cases. So this is a big, big opportunity for you to really look at how can I get marketing out there that I can attract business? Because if you can get lead, let's go crazy. Let's go hog wild crazy here. Let's say it costs you $3 a lead. Okay. So if we are at $3 a lead, we suck at conversion. Nobody will answer our call. Nobody returns our email. They ghosted me. They started talking to me and they're not working with me anymore. And it is so bad that 1 out of 100 converts with you. Now, you'd be the worst in the world if that happened. I've never seen that happen from anybody using my approach anyway. But if you were the worst in the world and 1 of 100 worked with you, it cost you $300 to get $20,000 or so. I guarantee you, if Warren Buffett knew about this, he'd be calling you. And here's what he'd say. Holy shit. He wouldn't say that, but that's what he'd be thinking. You mean to tell me you know how to turn $300 into 20 grand? All I know how to do is turn $300 into $400 at the end of the year. It takes me a whole year to do that. You have a license to print money. You have a really good offer. You understand the advertising. We're doing this on Facebook, by the way. So the ad clinic call that we recently did, and you're welcome to log into the Inner Circle coaching site, click on ad clinic and look at the recent calls that we did. You can see the actual ad, exactly how we ran it, exactly what that offer was. So you can duplicate it in your area. You know how I know it works? Because hundreds of agents duplicated it after that call. And here come the testimonials. They're doing exactly the same thing. You don't have a problem with expenses. You have a problem with income. If you will fix your income, you no longer have those issues. So it's so easy for you to start small, to start generating business. We've got a lot of agents that are generating closings at $100, $150, $200 a piece. They're generating closings at that. So they're generating a lot of leads, and they're doing a good job with that automated conversion as well. So this is something I want you to think about in your business. I think you'll find that if you start to put better offers out there, you're going to get a lot better prospects that are coming into you. So review that information on the member site. There may even be some information in the description down here in the video description, but as an Inner Circle coaching member, you have all of this available to you. Please make sure you're using it. What's the point of having a Ferrari and leaving it in the garage? You got to get that thing out there and let people see it. So that's going to be exactly the same way with all of the offers that you're putting out there, the ad campaigns that you're putting together. Start with the free stuff. As I show you in Foundational Model, use the free stuff, but get yourself to where you can spend $200, where you can spend $300 and you can get 20 grand. And then guess what? You don't have a problem with expenses anymore. The agents that are focused on their expenses are the ones that never make it. They are going to leave the business. Generally, whenever their dues come up again, they say, oh, I don't think I'm going to renew. They've slowly withered away and they get out of the business because they're focused on expense. You don't have a problem with expense. You need to do anything you can, including raise your expenses. You need to do anything you can to raise your income, because we make a boatload of money when we get a client that we're working with. And the problem is, if you have no advertising going out there, there's a 0% chance of you getting clients. What are you doing? You're waiting on somebody that you know to call you, a friend or family member, a sphere of influence to call you. Those are way too far, few and far between. You cannot wait on that to happen. That's the icing on the cake. You got to have some cake too. So you build a business where every single day you have new clients that you can be working with. Hopefully that's of service to you. I want you to check it all out on the member site again and make sure that you are advertising for new construction. If it exists in your area, you need to be capitalizing on it. You can use it just like you do a listing. You can pick up tons of regular buyers that end up buying resale properties. There's so many different options you have available for you. I really want you to make sure you're putting this in place. It's the lowest cost lead that we can generate anywhere through any media, anywhere in the United States of America. This is the lowest cost lead, and they're hyper responsive. So you got to have a new construction effort that you're putting out there. Check it out. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Most importantly, make sure you're following this YouTube channel and you ring the bell, you turn on notifications. That will let you know every day when I load a new morning meeting for you. You can actually get your business headed in the right direction by listening to someone that knows what the hell they're doing. I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now.